Guess what? I have landed in my 10th international destination, Sri Lanka. Let me take you along on this unforgettable journey. We took a cab from the airport to Colombo Central Railway Station. It cost us about 5,000 Sri Lankan rupees and gave us a quick first look at this amazing city. Our train was at 10:35 am. We had booked our tickets online from India through the Sri Lankan Railways website. The tickets cost us around 450 Indian rupees. Now that's a bargain for the adventure waiting ahead. And the train passed through endless greenery, tea gardens, rolling hills, and even sparkling waterfalls. I felt like we were traveling through a painting. Sri Lanka knows how to keep its natural beauty alive and it's breathtaking. Every station had its own vibe, but one stood out. A station with a library. You can pick a book, read it on the train, and leave it at your destination. How cool is that? After soaking up all those views, we finally reached Kandy railway station. But the adventure is just getting started. Stay tuned for more fun from this beautiful country.